If you need to save an important conversation, backup messages for work, or keep a record of shared files and media, exporting your Telegram chat history is the easiest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export Telegram chat history using Telegram Desktop, step by step, so you can download your messages and open them on your computer anytime. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. This method works from the desktop app, so make sure you're not using the mobile version. Once Telegram opens, look to the top left corner and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access all of Telegram's settings. From there, click Settings, then go into Advanced. The Advanced section is where Telegram keeps more detailed options, including privacy, data, and export tools. Now scroll down until you find Export Telegram Data, and click it. This is the feature that lets you save your chat history locally to your device. After that, you'll see different export options. Here, click Chats and choose the specific chat you want to export. You can export a private conversation, a group chat, or even other chat data depending on what's available. Next, choose the content and export format you want. For example, you may want to include messages, photos, videos, or files, depending on how much of the conversation you want to keep. You can also choose the format that works best for you, so the exported data is easy to open and review later. Once you've selected everything, click Export. Telegram will begin processing your request and creating the export folder on your computer. Depending on how large the chat is, this may take a little bit of time, especially if the conversation includes lots of media. When the export is finished, open the exported folder on your computer. Inside, you'll find your chat history ready to view. This can be very useful if you want to archive important conversations, save shared information, or keep a local backup for reference. And that's how to export Telegram chat history in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.